In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the LinkedIn app on a laptop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, open your Google Chrome web browser. This is the first step in the process, and it's essential to ensure you have the latest version for a smooth experience. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official LinkedIn website by typing in the URL or searching for LinkedIn in your preferred search engine. Next, you need to log in to your LinkedIn account. This step is crucial because the installation process will link directly to your profile. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your email and password to access your account. After logging in, you need to adjust some settings within Chrome. Look for the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of the browser. This is the menu icon, and clicking on it will open a drop-down list of options. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you see the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Clicking on this will reveal additional functionalities. Within that selection, you'll find another option labeled Install Page as App. This is the key step to turning LinkedIn into an application on your laptop. By selecting this option, you're initiating the process to create a standalone app for LinkedIn straight from your browser. Once you've clicked that, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Simply click Install to confirm. This is a straightforward action, but it's the final touch needed to complete the install process. After you confirm the installation, LinkedIn will open in its own application window, separate from the Chrome browser. You'll notice that this dedicated window is designed to provide an app-like experience, making it easier to navigate LinkedIn without the distraction of browser tabs and other elements. Additionally, a shortcut to the LinkedIn app will also be created on your desktop. This means you can access LinkedIn with just a double click, making it more convenient for your day-to-day networking and job searching needs. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the LinkedIn app on your laptop. Enjoy the benefits of connecting with professionals and expanding your network using this handy application. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to check out more videos for similar tips and tricks. Happy networking!